Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2, Class F4AC1104H, going to present our chosen modern business environment, which is Total Quality Management or TQM. Our team consists of 3 group members, which is Nurina binti Ali, me, Aina Fatihah binti Muhammad Isa, and also Nazatul Aisyah binti Hamizi. The current problem of the company, Perabot Nusajaya Sdn Bhd, that can be related to the total quality management is that the company focuses on producing a certain set numbers of furniture each period and holding an amount of finished product in case of unexpected demand or shortage.
The second problem of a PNSB is customers are shifting to the other company which offer more attractive, affordable, and functioning furnishings.
So getting more into the chosen modern business environment, which is total quality management. Total quality management can be defined as an ongoing process management approach that focuses on improving the overall organization, including decision making by upper management, customer satisfaction, improvement in quality and of goods and services, and also encouragement, mutual respect and teamwork. Also, in definition of total quality management, according to Lewis 2007, it is a systematic approach for enhancing products, services, processes, and also operational quality control. According to Chuck Williams, total quality management is an integrated organization-wide strategy for improving products and service quality. It is based on 3 principles, which is customer focus, continuous improvement, and also teamwork. As for introduction for total quality management, the main focus is for the company to do a continuous quality improvement for customer satisfaction. It is established on 1950s, but then became more popular on early 1980s. It is a combination of quality and management tools that focuses on improving and increasing profits and also to reduce loss. The way of implementing this type of management approach is by monitoring quality throughout the organization by everyone in the organization. This means that every problems and obstacles that are spotted need to be solved before the company go through another level of process. As for company, Perabot Nusajaya Sdn Bhd, Wazif as the company's management accountant said that the company can survive in the industry by improving the management system that focus on customer and involves on employees in its continual improvement program. This statement can be related to how the company implementing the total quality management or TQM. Total quality management also adopt and apply few principles, including involvement of people. People at all levels of an organization are the essence of it, so their complete involvement enables their abilities to be used for the benefit of the organization. The second one is system approach to management. An organization effectiveness and efficiency in achieving its quality objective are contributed by identifying, understanding, and managing all interrelated processes as a system. Next, factual approach to decision making. Effective decision making are always based on the data analysis and information. Lastly, mutually beneficial supplier relationship. Since an organization and its supplier are interdependent, therefore a mutually beneficial relationship between them can increase the ability of both to add value.
The characteristic of the total quality management, first is it starts from the top management. Second is a consistent process. Sometimes it takes years to give a desired result, so that all employees have to work consistently in one direction to improve all the process in the organization. Third is the customer focus. The end of the result of total quality management is complete satisfaction of customer by giving them a high quality product and service. Other than that is a part of strategic planning and thinking. Total quality policy is a long-term planning. The quality policy must be the part of strategic planning to get the desired result. Teamwork. Success in teams of standard quality is possible if the organization has a culture in a team formation. So that the employee have to work in a team by giving 100% of effort in order to achieve the mission and vision of the company. And last but not least, the characteristic of the total quality management is focused only to quality. Next, the objective of total quality management is to improve the quality of an organization's output, the continual improvement of internal practices as well as external employee. The last one is to improve quality in all aspects such as product, service, processes, people, resources, and interactions. For implementation of total quality management to company, the first step is top management learns about and decide to commit to total quality management. Second step is identify critical success factor to help and meet objective and move a little closer to achieving mission, such as financial performance, customer satisfaction, process improvement, and product quality. Third step is develop measurement and metric to track data. Once critical success are identified, there's need to be measurement part in place to monitor and track demands. Next is identify key customer group through each organizations that meet customer requirements. The organization identify and prioritize customer demands, align product and service to meet those demands. Next is get the customer feedback by develop a customer satisfaction tools based on what is important to customer. After that is develop an improvement plan and resurvey. Implement your improvement plan and give customers time to notice those changes. After a period of time, resurvey the key customers to see if the scores have improved. And lastly, maintain the current technology. Make sure technology is user-friendly and support target improvement. There are 5 advantages of total quality management, which are defect reduction, helpful in meeting competition, better quality performance, customer satisfaction, and improved employee morale. First one, total quality management program eliminates defect and waste, which reduce production costs in business. As teams gather to identify and eliminate weakness, the company continues to enjoy the less cost and higher profit. Total quality management techniques are greatly helpful in understanding the competition and also developing an effective combating strategy. For better quality performance, adverse and non-participative attitude of the employee are the biggest obstacle in the organization's success, growth, and advancement. Total quality management stresses on bringing attitude changes and improvement in the performance of employee by promoting proper work. Since company has better production and service and its interactions with customer are relatively error-free, thus there should be fewer customer complaints. The last one, for improved employee morale, the ongoing and proven success of total quality management, and in particular the participation of employee in that success, can lead to a noticeable improvement in employee morale, which in turn the reduces of employee turnover. Next, disadvantage of total quality management is that years to show result. Total quality management is long-term process that show result only after years passes. It requires perseverance, patience, dedication, and motivation. Many organizations give up on it after failing to see tangible, quickly result. Secondly is discourage creativity. TQM focus on task standardization to ensure consistency, discourage creativity and innovations. It also discourages new ideas that can possibly improve productivity. Total quality management also requires change at attitude and a reprioritization of daily operations. TQM also requires a long-term management commitment and constant employee involvement. Changing an organization culture is a difficult challenge. Lastly is total quality management is expensive to implement. Implementation often comes with additional costs, training costs, infrastructure costs, and consultant fees. Total quality management is not suitable for very small company because its cost far supersede its financial gain.
So I will continue with recommendation. There are different dimensions of product quality such as aesthetic, features, durability, and also performance. So there are two recommendations that I could give in order to solve a current problem. So firstly, we can create new or special features of product such as smart furniture in which it serves more than one purpose. For example, table with charging port and motion sofa with a Bluetooth speaker. And also, I think business should consider about such custom furniture so that customer can create their own features of a product. So my second recommendation is change furniture into the aesthetic concept. Aesthetic concept includes a visual aspect such as shape, color, balance, and scale. In my view, color that could be categorized as an aesthetic is a white and beige. And also, the reason why I need to consider the aesthetic concept in a product design is to target the right customer and standing out from others competitors. And also, aesthetic concept currently famous or trending among mid-20 until 40, including a married couple. There are additional requirements needed to implement TQM. Firstly, commitment in a company. TQM requires a commitment of top management and also employee at all levels of organization. In an organization, getting all employees in a process can be done through internal communication and also training program. Commitment of a top management is to make a strategic decision and help all employees. Secondly, competition in the market. We need to know that companies who adopt TQM not only producing good quality product, but they also enhance their reputation of a company. Besides raise a company's reputation, they also will increase the customer loyalty and also customer satisfaction. So there are different tools of TQM that a company could apply, such as cause and effect and also benchmarking. So basically, what is a benchmarking? Benchmarking is a tool of a company to set the standard. The company will try to compare itself to the best company in industry in order to meet the standard set. So there are three types of benchmarking, which are competitive, process, and also strategy. Firstly, in a competitive benchmarking, they will focus more about performance. Second, process benchmarking. In this type, they will benchmark the process basically on how the company treats customer and how they produce the product and also how they operate the company. Last but not least, strategic benchmarking. Strategic benchmarking is indicator of a business model. Basically, it's about how they can profit. So, I will continue with differences between traditional management and also total quality management. Firstly, traditional management focus on a management, meanwhile TQM focus more on a customer. Second, traditional priority is profit, meanwhile priority of a TQM is a quality. Third, traditional focus more on a result oriented, meanwhile TQM focus more on a process oriented. Last but not least, TQM has a different or multiplies quality dimension. Meanwhile, traditional only has a single dimension quality. All in all, total quality management (TQM) is a one of important element that need to be implemented in a business in order to ensure the goods and service supply in a highest quality. So that's all from us. Thank you.